Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Standard Bank account online on our computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into Standard Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address standardbank.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Standard Bank, guys. So let's wait for it. Now in order to proceed to log in to your Standard Bank account, from over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the login button available for us. Click on that login button, and before we proceed we'll be required to choose our country. For example, if you're on the United States, click over here on the search bar and type in United States, and United States of America will be available over here. Click on that and you'll be directed to your Standard Bank page of your country. And again, on this page at the top right corner of the screen you can spot a sign in button available for us. Click on that sign in button, and over here, guys, if you want to log into your corporate and business accounts, you can go through the process over here. What will be just logging into our personal bank, so let's click on the personal section. And over here, guys, you can see there is the internet banking, security share, online share trading, shift, and web trader. So in order to proceed to your personal one, click on internet banking and a login page will be available for us. Just let's wait for it. And you can see, guys, let's click on sign in. And over here you'll be required to enter the username of your Standard Bank account which you had registered on Standard Bank at the time of creating your account. And after that, click on sign in. But if you forgot your username, guys, you can always retrieve it over here. If you click on the forgot username option available for us, you'll be redirected to a page where you'll be able to reset your username or retrieve your username by going through a certain procedure. And with that being said, guys, let's click on the sign in, and on the next step, guys, you'll be required to enter your password of your account. And with that being said, guys, after you enter your password you'll be able to log into your Standard Bank account from over here. And guys, this is how to log into your Standard Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.